All right, guys, welcome back to Amazing Abner. This is Tom, and I'm going to go old school here. We're going to record a quick video in the car, a critical mistake that I made, and I should have known better. I made a terrible shipping error that cost me not only the entire amount of the sale, in the end I wound up paying the customer to take the item from me. That's how bad this was. So I'm going to share it. Hopefully, if you do not know about this, you'll learn something from this video. And if you do know about this, maybe at least this will entertain you. You can relish in my misery. So here we go. This all revolves around dimensional weight shipping, and this is something that I knew about. A job that I had 2 jobs ago, I was heavily into shipping, and I know very good and well about dimensional weight shipping. Primarily on eBay, everything I ship is USPS, mostly first class. But as the year progressed, and this is the very end of December 2020, as we got around Christmas time, I started selling some bigger items. I use a lot of priority flat rate shipping. So with this particular item, it was a Guitar Hero guitar. I measured out the box, as I try to do most of the time, and saw what everything would weigh together. And it was nearly 3 pounds, the guitar and the box. I plugged everything into eBay. I plugged it in as 3 pounds. The dimensions were 34 by 12 by 6. And as you see on the screen here, I entered them as 6 by 12 by 34, but it doesn't make any difference. So I shipped the item, customer got it, all was well. About a week or so ago, I was going through the numbers and I was looking at my seller fees. And it's actually something that I do not do all that often. In lesson learned, it's something that I need to do a little bit more just to double check. And if you don't do it, I would recommend it as well. And I saw this unusual FedEx fee, and I clicked on it. My item that I shipped for $16.70 cost me $39.47 alone in shipping. So nearly $40 it was charging me, FedEx was charging me to ship this guitar. And the reason for this was dimensional weight shipping. So what FedEx does, and UPS does this as well, is they will take something in a larger box, such as what I use to ship the Guitar Hero guitar, and they will take the length, the height, and the width, and they will multiply those 3 numbers together. They then divide those 3 numbers, or that total, by 139. What they get in that number, if that's larger than the actual weight that you're shipping, then they charge you dimensional weight shipping on some other formula that I don't know what it is, but I know it's high. And it's funny because the dimensional measurements that they use were actually a little smaller than mine, but their dimensional weight calculation came out to be 18 pounds for this 3 pound item that I shipped. So again, instead of $16.70, it wound up costing me $39.47 just to ship. When everything was said and done, I actually wound up agreeing to a best offer on this guitar for $20. The shipping, as I mentioned, was $16.23, and the customer paid $2.26 in tax. So the entire order was $38.49 shipped out to the customer. So as you can see, a $38.49 order, and I get charged $39.47 for just shipping alone. I'm losing money. The guitar, I think it cost me maybe $6. It cost me. Cost of goods was $6, I believe. Cost of shipping, $39.47. So basically I paid $46 or $45.47. And I gave it to the customer for $38.49. So I lost big money on that, and so I just wanted to make people aware. I think that a lot of what I do, or the things that I try to bring forth in my videos, are for new sellers. So if you do not know about dimensional weight, here you go. Let this be a lesson learned. You've been warned. And they can really destroy your profit. Luckily here in December, I'm having a good month, so this isn't going to hurt me that bad. And I'm looking forward to my early January video, which will be the December 2020 breakdown of sales. And I can tell you right now, it's going to be good. Bruh. So with that said, I don't want to ramble on anymore. Just wanted to make you aware. So hopefully somebody found this useful. I found it useful too. I won't make the same mistake. Shame is I still have one of these guitars. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. If I put shipping on eBay of $40 to ship this guitar, nobody's going to buy it. So we might have to pull that off and use Facebook Marketplace. So thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so if you find content like this useful. And also like this video. That would be greatly appreciated, especially if you made it this far. And as I like to end all videos, treat others the way you would like to be treated, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.